usual na dala ko po sa hardworking kong bags. Aba, dapat lang magtrabaho siya. Kawawa naman ang bigat-bigat. Actually, ako yung kawawa sa bigat. Okay. When I'm traveling, this is what's in my bag. This is an eye mask that my sister Judy Ann Santos gave me. So it's just Velcro. When I use this, I sleep so well. And it has like a hollow part here. Kaya hindi flat na flat sa mata mo. It's so comfortable. I've been using it since shooting of 3 Words to Forever. Plus, she gave me, this is a Tempur brand of eye mask. She also gave me a Tempur mattress that I put on top of my folding bed sa shooting. Kaya, imbis na kumain, matutulog na lang ako. Napakasarap ng aking. Okay, wanna take a peek? It's kind of full. This is where I keep my passport and other travel documents. Raquel gave me this. Thank you, Raquel. I love you. Raquel Reyes. Gamit ko na to. When I'm traveling, I need to have this. I can't open it. Well, I can, but okay, this one has my checkbooks and pesos. This one has, I cannot show you, but kabuhayan. Okay, showcase. There you go. These are from, if I'm not mistaken, Muji ba to? I think, and then I have my Kimi doll. I love Kimi doll. I love her so much. I have those little wooden and also. This is my like my medicine stuff and my eardrops if I need it. What else? Yeah, my eardrops and my mga gamot in case. Pang allergy. 2 phones that I don't pay attention to anyway. Oops, teka, pakita ko lang. Yung isa, gusto ko lang na bahay. I just change that every now and then. And then, I have this, what is this? An iPhone 7 and an iPhone X. I have the new one pala, but it's in the, look at my coin purse. It's R2D2. Pero, meron mga tindahan kasi sa airport. Minsan bumibili ako ng magazines. Pilipina yung nagano. So, ate, papalit naman ang coins. Ang bait naman nila. Mapayag sila kasi kailangan nilang pang sukle. What else? Kasi I keep my passport separate kasi pinapatanggal nila yung case. But this is a case that actually Casey and Pierre got for me in Paris in 2000. Yung first time sila. Yung first time nila maging BFGF. Mga 2000 something. So it has my, my mileage cards and all. Of course, my mabuhay is here. They had my initials painted. Mali nga eh. SCG or SCR yan eh. Reeves or you. Gong. Hindi, joke lang. Siyempre, pangilinan. Ito, kabibili lang kasi bang kailanganin ko kanina nilagay nila. Tapos, what else do I have? Grape candy. My usual lip stuff. Okay. Would you like to see the colors? I bought these in, where were we? Beach? Bangkok? Minsan lang kasi kung mag-shopping ng you have to put, kasi when you travel, diba, you have to use my favorite is Ziploc bags. I have them in all sizes. Alam niyo kung may Ziploc bags na ganito kalaki? I have all the sizes. So, I will need my okay, hold your breath. This is MAC and it's A73. Oh, this is the color. It's a little pale. I like that sometimes. Ayokong sobrang pag wala si Peach, ayoko naglalagay ng lipstick. Ito, it's a little bit darker lang. Little bit darker. Pang everyday ko to eh. Actually, kahit hindi nagta-travel, ito medyo nudish ng konti. Na bagay kay Peach. Ayaw niya kasi. Okay, this one is called Patisserie B93. Peachy got me this because pag wala si Kiko, kulang ako ng mga halik. Kaya nanunuyo ang aking labi. So, Carmex is the best, no? You know, tip ko lang sa inyo, pag kunyari you go to a cold place and your lips are really dry, please don't lick yung gumaganon kasi lalong natutuyo, lalong masama yun. So, just the best is Carmex, and if you really need a lot more, lalo dito pag may sipon, ako dito pag may sipon na yung kaka-blow ng nose, nagbabalat, Aquaphor is really good, or Vaseline. Ito, bigay ni Danny to ni Bot. This is grape candy. I love kasi grape. Like, I love so, and strawberry or cherry. It's mint candy. I was given this rosary from Israel just a while ago in the bus by my my lighting director, Michael, who's with us on tour for the first time. It's from Jerusalem. Beautiful rosary. You know, I'm Christian, but you know, I was raised Catholic, but I'm Christian now, but I still, you know, have all these with me. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. And this is my biggest fear when I travel is that I get bored. I don't like to get bored. So, I have my iPods here. This is an old iPod na I don't know, ilang years, 20 na ba to? Na, tingnan mo, I had this painted in Chiang Mai in Thailand. It's the back of the elephant. Cute, diba? Kasi diba, my behind is big. So, ito yung pinili ko. So, I have cards and letters from my fans na kasama sa, I have my schedule here. Yung mga kasama sa flowers na binibigay, I have the cards here. Yan, mga madami. So, I keep them in my bag when they're really special. Might as well put them in one of them. And then here, something I got in Japan which I really love. It's a Louis Vuitton and Louis Vuitton. Pag sila kasi Louis Vuitton, okay. Tapos you open it like that, diba? LV, and then it just goes like that. So I think I have never seen this in any other Louis Vuitton store except in Japan, and they don't have it anymore. So you know how much I love Japan. That's why that's there. And then the other one is another Vuitton, and you just push it like this. This is my other wallet. Oh, my membership card. Sorry. There. Ayan, no? Mga resibo. Konting cash dito. Tsaka syempre, pampaligaya. Pictures ni Darling. Gong you. My name is Sharon. I would only leave you for Keanu Reeves. Okay. Nagbalik loob ako kay Keanu. Grabe. Nagmamarathon ako ng mga Keanu. You know what? I've always found Brad Pitt handsome. He's a great actor as well. Tom Cruise is handsome. But I never had a crush on, really yung totoo, on Tom Cruise or on Brad Pitt. My crush has always been Keanu Reeves. And syempre, alam mo na yun sila Antonio Banderas, Sylvester Stallone, diba? So you see, na wala itong dalawang to, tsaka yung mga lalagyan ng passports, wala lahat yan pag hindi ako nagka-travel. So, obviously, but the others are all present there. So, I need to arrange nicely because poor naman my bag. Wawa naman my bag. But you better work hard. This bag. Yan, ang una kong binili ko. Katabi ko matulog. Nag-hong-hong, kinukumutan ko. Good night, baby. That's it for now, guys. While I rearrange my bag or put everything back.